Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Update Valorant and the tracker, then run the tracker as administrator so it can hook the game. Once done, make sure Windows privacy settings allow overlays and capture. Close other overlays and GPU OSDs because they block hooks. This prevents resource conflicts. You'll also enable the tracker in the Overlay Apps game list so Valorant is recognized. Doing this first saves time and avoids repeating fixes later. So get these essentials squared away now. Now you configure the tracker for Valorant specifically. Open Settings and enable the in-game overlay plus any hook to full screen or DirectX capture options because Valorant uses exclusive full screen behavior. Then select Game Capture or DirectX Capture mode to match Riot's renderer. This ensures a stable hook. Adjust overlay opacity and position so it does not overlap HUD elements, and bind a toggle hotkey for quick testing. Once configured, you should start a custom match and watch the tracker appear. If it does, move to polishing. Finish by confirming anti-cheat compatibility. If the tracker documents Riot Vanguard exclusions or safe modes, follow those steps to prevent the overlay from being blocked. Then relaunch both programs with the same privilege level. Mismatched admin rights commonly break overlays. If the overlay is still hidden, reinstall the tracker and delete its config to reset capture settings or toggle to a different capture mode. If nothing works, capture logs and reach out to support. This provides diagnostic info and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.